All right, here's the deal. We're gonna wait for an entry right here, but this is where we're gonna go long. Attacking this. This is the previous day high. If it goes and takes it out, that's fine. You might just leave our fair value gap right here. Yeah, all right. We should get our entry here. There you are. Good sniper entry. There's our take profit. These are relative equal highs that are going to be taken out. ES, we want to see this objective reached. We'll take another 2 contracts here. Want to see respect and a new high in ES. That's great. It's propelling right off this inversion fair value gap and this BISI right here created at 10:06. I'm going to put them in orange. Want to see some more expansion higher here. Right past this little green line into our buy side liquidity pool. Daily high. So this is the previous day high. Here we go. Still looking for that same thing in ES. Want to see some strength here. Keep pushing forward. I'm watching this Wicks consequent encroachment right here. $10.25 right there. All right, I'll take one more right there. All right, we close underneath that line, so I'm not a big fan of it. However, it should be fine. My stop loss is down here underneath this candle as low as 79. Why? Because it's part of the 3-candle formation that forms the fair value gap right here. Price should respect this orange region as well as a combination with this inversion fair value gap. Those are key levels. And I'll take that last one right there. It's the end of the fair value gap as well as consequent encroachment. That's the last contract I'll take. Gotta see a big pump here. I heavily dislike how we close underneath this area, so I'd love to see closure above this orange line once more. Yeah, I want us to get over this orange line. Let us stay in this orange area too. I mean, not bad, pink area. I don't like that closing price one bit, but let's see what this candle wants to do. I want to see it get over this orange line. Yep. Don't want to see any respect to that level. I want to see it keep pushing through. ES is finally showing some strength as well. Little volume imbalance right there. And I want closure underneath this candle's high at the bare minimum. All right, we didn't get it right now, so we want to see this candle get above the previous candle's high. There we go. That's good. If you see, there's a small little fair value gap right in here. That's going on. I want to see closure underneath this level. ES still showing strength. but definitely want to see some more here. Don't like that reaction off it one bit. This is the draw over here. Now this could definitely just be a propulsion block right here, but we gotta see price close underneath this candle's high. ES struggling to get above this 10 o'clock high. I want to see a new high of the hour. That's what I'm really looking for. And I'm looking for a new camera as well, because this one keeps deactivating, man. But it's all good because I'm human. And I can just deactivate it and reactivate it, and then it'll be fine again. So anyway. It's 10:18. We're still respecting the SIBI. I don't like that at all. I wanted to see straight propulsion through that area with speed and distance. I like how ES is staying strong. That gives me more confidence about NASDAQ. Come on. More speed and distance. Here we go. That's fine. ES should have some more expansion, upside expansion candle here. Now I want to see this act as a bullish propulsion block, and I want to see this act as an inversion for value gap. These are two key PD arrays right now. Don't want to see price go past the midpoint of this propulsion block. That's going to be at 0.825. Right there. Huge. It's in the name, propulsion. You want to see it propel price up higher. And good, powerful statement. Fashion. Good, powerful fashion. I think that's the right way to say it. Yeah. With momentum. Okay. Remember I used to call these dojis. Man. Good old Japanese style candles. But yeah, this is the draw right here. This is where price is headed. Good here. I just want the full haul. Only a few handles away from it. ES making a new high of the hour. We should see this happen right now. There it is. All right. Scary retracement, that's for sure. Impeccable stop loss. And now we wait for model 22 to form. Oops, wrong one. Okay, so let's talk it out. This is the live video. We entered on the inversion for value gap here. From this candle's low to this candle's high. Pyramided here. Took more on the wick because we believe that price was going to head there in that moment, but it wanted to retrace deeper first. Where to exactly? Right into this inversion for value gap right here, the one that we mistakenly took a short on earlier. Luckily, it was only, not luckily, but I only used one contract because I knew I could be wrong and I was not willing to risk that much. Hence, just minimal leverage. All right, just minimal leverage. Once I knew where price was truly headed based off how price reacted, we had no respect to these little fair value gaps right here. But on the way back up, we did. That's what you saw happen here, even though we closed underneath our fair value gap. That was the silver bullet at 10 o'clock fair value gap. We respected this inversion fair value gap, and I mean our stop loss was right underneath here. So I really wouldn't have wanted to see anything past the consequent encroachment of this one. That was like our last line of defense, and we didn't get there. So really good response to this retracement here by these two candles. We had a down close candle that dug into this little civvy right here, which also digs into about the mean threshold of this 1013 down close candle. It's the last down close candles before consecutive up closes, another down close before consecutive up closes, and that classifies it as a ICT bullish propulsion block. As soon as we close underneath it right here, we want to see price propel from the candle's high, and that's that level right there. And as well as not see price go past the midpoint or the mean threshold of that propulsion block, which was right here at this yellow line. So good little trade here. Definitely was not going to be happy if I lost 400 right there. I mean, I'm trying to get 500 every week, but now that I just got 600, my work for the week is done if I want. So I got 600 minus 55, just say 60. So 580 and then 115, 574. Oh gosh, come on, brain. 474, 465. So 465 in a day, which gets us to now 12,148. We are up 2,148, which is really good. So right here, we're waiting for what? What are we waiting for, guys? We're waiting for. Hold on, get rid of all this. Well, actually, I could talk while I'm doing this. We're waiting for a displacement candle that breaks a short-term low, that shifts market structure from very bullish into now a bearish perspective. And that fair value gap is kind of like what did it say? It's like a solidifier. It's something that's evident that you know this is where price is likely to reverse, right? How do I describe this in a metaphor analogy? Oh, it's like you're in traffic and you know you're slowly going, and then you get past the area where it says construction finished or construction ends here, and then it's free flying right after you get out that area. There you go. You know, it's nice and my brain is not awake yet. I'm so sorry. It's very slow until you get a clear picture of like, okay, now there's nothing holding us back, and there might still be traffic after that. You know, there might still be speed bumps and whatever. There might be a lot of cars on the road at the time, but for the most part, it's clear skies and clear roads, and you're not stuck in a traffic jam anymore. So that's what I get from that. Right now, I haven't seen that yet. I believe we're still gonna make another high. I would love for it to make another high, then drop down, make a little short-term low around here, and then have our model form. And then I would love to see a price close beneath this candle, classifying it as a bearish breaker, and then attack sell stops from there. I mean, I love London's low down here, but that's very overzealous. I definitely aim for the 9 o'clock and 8 o'clock lows right here. So, yeah. Good day so far. We've taken 3 trades, 2 losses, 1 win, and profitable. And that's just from filling, testing out the waters, then understanding where price is going, and being confident in that. Being confident. Ooh. All right. I mean, this is the trade that really kind of gets you out of that, not break even, but like slow trades. But you have to be very careful. I could have lost $400 there, and that's 2% trades, if you get what I'm saying, because 2% of a $10,000 account is $200. So if I were to lose, if that trade were to be an L, it would, in my mind, it's me losing 2% trades, if that makes sense. And I don't really risk 2% too often, but as you build your account and profit, you're going to want to start, I don't want to say trailing your 2%, but definitely expand a little bit, you know. Here, let's go see what 3% is. How do I do that? What's the math for that? What's the equation? So, like, nothing you learn in high school ever sticks, bro. 300 times 1.98. I don't know. Let's just go see 1,200. 250. So 250 should be like a 2% stop loss, but okay. Oh, it could actually happen right here. Man, that would be lovely. It violates all sort of bullish price action right here. And then, oh yeah, that'd be lovely actually. Hold on. Alright, that's enough for this video though. Thank you for sticking with me. And they're getting there. This is no pump though. You know? It's legs and shoulders today though.